In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to create ghost pop-out effect from television, computer or any kind of a screen. We'll be using this photo in this tutorial. First we need to make a selection around the screen. I'll be using the pen tool. The selection needs to be perfect on the screen areas. Let's name the path so it will be safe. For the ghost, I'll use this photo. I already made a selection. You can use select subject or any other selection tool. Let's drag and drop this to our main tab. Press Ctrl Command and T for free transform and adjust the size. Here we only need to show the hands. Now we need to mask out the body. I don't wanna change this mask, so I'll create a group and mask out the body from the group mask. This way if I need, I can show more or less body of the ghost. With the foreground color black, press Alt Option and backspace to fill the selected area with black. Now the body is hidden. Now we need to adjust the shadows and highlights. Let's create a curve and fix the shadows. These areas should be a little darker. Let's create another curve and add the highlights. Finally, I want to add some glow. You know some ghosts have them. Press Ctrl or Command and J to duplicate the layer. Bring it above the adjustment layers. Convert it into a smart object so that we can change any effect values later. Go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian blur. 30 to 40 will do. Now change the blend mode to screen. You can also reduce the opacity so we have a see-through effect. So this is how you can create a ghost effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you on my next video.